Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to take a little cruise down the Nerang River. As you can see, the building behind me is the convention centre. They hold a lot of things there like boxing, cage fighting, and to the right where you can't see at the moment, but that's where the Jupiter's Casino is. So just about to start putting everything together, and we'll have a bit of a cruise up this part of the river here. The water temperature is around about 27 as well, so we'll get on our way and see how we go. Hope you enjoy. Sit back and relax. Okay, first off the ranks, put me battery in, which is 20 kilos, and that's probably the heaviest part of the whole trip, and we'll connect it all up to the motor and everything, and away we go. Okay, now we're heading off to put the stabilisers on. It's a beautiful morning, as you can tell by the sun coming through. It's going to be a hot little trip, but yeah, once I get these stabilisers on, the motor on, and we'll be cruising down and enjoying it. Nice scenery as well. Okay, off we go. Sorry about the wind going through the microphone. As you can see, I'm all set up, making sure I don't get burnt on the face. And there's my stabiliser, my motor. We're only sitting on the one power control, it goes to the two. So one's enough at the moment, and then we'll start trawling a little bit by drifting. I'm right on the tide turn at the moment. Okay, we're drifting a little bit now. Nice bit of a sky view behind me. No wind at all, very calm. Tide has got a bit of a current to it, but that's expected on the turn. Let's see how we go and see if we can catch some fish, hopefully. Nice part of the river, the Nerang River, down at Broadbeach area. Okay, just had a bit of a tug then on the bait there. I'm using lures at the moment. It's a bit easier, not so messy and smelly, but yeah, I normally use a bit of live bait, but I haven't got any with me at the moment, so plastic lures at the moment, and yep, no fish at the moment, but we'll keep trying, see how we go. Okay, drifting back, we'll put the motor on for a little while. As you can see, all set up there, and my stabilisers. Chuck a few things in there if I wanted to, like jackets or something like that. Very good they are, they keep the balance get a few jet skis around, and it won't tip over. Might get a little bit of water in, but at least I'm going to be floating still. Okay, still drifting. I've changed my lures a couple of times. Not much at the moment, but there's plenty of fish around. Just got to pick the right bait and the right time. As you can see on the sounder there's quite a few floating around. I just don't know why they're not biting my line. Maybe they don't want to go out and have something to eat yet, so all at school concentrating. Okay, on the right hand side there you'll see a white building there near the bridge. That's actually Jupiter's Casino in Broadbeach, and we'll keep drifting along and see what happens when we get under the bridge. Okay, cruising down the river here, you see quite a few buildings, some nice houses. A few offices. Yeah, very nice this part of the area. Wouldn't mind living on here one day, but the only thing is everything starts to rust and corrode because of the salt air. Okay, we'll see if we can get something under this bridge. Might be a couple of bream or something. Try it out. One good thing about this kayak, you've got plenty of space to put your drinks, keep the fluids up. It does get warm, you don't realise it, but yeah, nice little rig. Okay, we're coming up to a couple of houseboats. Might be a few bream around them. We'll give a bit of a drift, and if not, we'll turn back around the other way and head back because the tide's moving at the moment, back out to sea. Yeah, these houses here aren't brand new, they've been here for quite some time. People do look after them and update them, so yeah, some nice buildings here. I wouldn't mind that one there, it's probably about a 6-bedroom, 7-bedroom. Nice little boat ramps. Still no fish, but on my fish finder you can see there's a lot of activity there. I might end up changing my lure to something else, and yeah, see if we can hook onto something as we're going. But so far no good, but still nice to be out here anyway. Hope you're enjoying it so far. Okay, I think I've got one here. Yeah, sort of bream, not a bad size little bream. We'll put him back in for another day. I'm only out here for a bit of enjoyment, that's all. Okay, going to change my lure to a false prawn and see how we go. Considering there's a few bream by the looks of things and a bit of activity in there. Might catch one with that. I normally put a swivel with a hitch on it so I don't have to keep threading my line through, but I'll just do it this way at the moment. Changing it so many times I should have, but doesn't matter. I've got plenty of time all morning. Okay, I think I might head back very soon. The current's starting to get a little bit stronger here. I don't want to end up whoops and come back. I've got to go to the doctor's, so and get back home earlier, have a shower. As you can see in front of me is the convention centre. Looking from the other side, to the left is Broadbeach. And yeah, it's been a good day so far, even though I've only caught the one fish. It's lovely being out here, and I feel sorry for you all out there that aren't in it. As you can see, I've got my gimbal sitting on the side of the boat there. Put a little bracket there so I can put it on and do a few tricks with it. Bit of elapse and everything, so everything goes a little bit quicker. Yeah, it's not in the way, so it's a good spot for it. Okay, do a bit of time lapse here, get things moving a little bit quicker. A lot of nice beautiful houses along the side, on the left and the right, a lot of little canals. This place is actually full of sharks, yeah, so I wouldn't go swimming here. One day we'll come back out and have some shark rigs made up and see if I can catch a few on my kayak. But as you can see, some beautiful houses. Yeah, someone with a bit of money or in debt, one of the two. But I wouldn't complain living in one of these, that's for sure. I did say that I was going to turn around and go back. I thought, but I'll just have a little bit of a cruise up here, put the old motor in and show you what's around at the moment. Some old houses and new houses. So yeah, I'll head back in about 5 minutes time, but I hope you're still enjoying it and not too boring for you. I thought I'd just show you what this place looks like here at Broadbeach in Australia. Okay, as you can see, looking east we are at the moment, that's Broadbeach way over there. And casino right on the right hand side, that white building, that's Jupiter's, where you like to spend your money and lose it if you're a gambler. But yeah, it's a nice little place, good for fishing, get the wind a little bit through here. But yeah, there's plenty of fish out here, but just can't catch them. If they're on the bite, they'll take your lure or bait, but they're just not biting at the moment. So temperature in the water is still 27.4 degrees. We're looking at my machine, so it's quite warm. Yeah, as I said there, 27.4 degrees in the water. That's degrees Celsius, because over in America and all the couple other places overseas, degrees is actually colder there, where ours is Celsius as well. So it's quite warm in the water. Good for the fish and the swimmer if you want to swim amongst the sharks. Okay, not far away from where I'm going to start packing up. I know I said that about 5 minutes ago, but I just can't help myself. I'm enjoying it in the water here, in the kayak, and yeah, I'll head back very shortly. But I thought I might give it another bash up through this way before the tide actually really turns on me, which it is now. So yep, head back very shortly. Okay, I can see my little port where I'm pulling up. Hope you got your 3D glasses on. Come in handy for my little pit stop right where I'm going to land, and then I'll start packing up and head back home. Beautiful out here. Hate to go home, but yeah, I've got to go sooner or later anyway. As you can see, the water looks a little bit like Coca-Cola because of the rain we've had. This is probably the second day after the rain, so it will be still a little bit dirty. But yeah, this is my spot where I'm packing up now. So it'll take me about 5 minutes or so to pack it. Go and get my car, reverse in, chuck it in. Okay, time to unpack and put everything away. I hope you enjoyed this. Not too boring for you. But yeah, a few things I've got to put away, but it's not too far to walk. I enjoy it. So if you enjoy something, you don't mind carrying a bit around. Yeah, okay, I've wiped everything down virtually, make sure it's all dry. The water's not as dirty as the lake I normally go to. The lake actually smells, at least this is a little bit fresher water flowing in from the sea. And I still wipe it down, get home and give it a good wash, but just don't want to get the car wet inside. I haven't put my roof racks on. My wife's not with me, so I've got a bit of room to be able to stick it in there. So yeah, it's been a good day anyway. Yes, I always do that. Always forget to take my rod holder out. Always forget about it. Just can't get it in the car otherwise. So yeah, anyway everyone, hope you enjoyed the little boat trip and hope to catch you all on the flip side, and enjoy. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers everyone.